Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on application of sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. First question is find x in the following figures. So now, if you look into the given figure, so the exterior angle x is the thing what we want to find, and the other two exterior angles are 125 degree and 125 degree. So it's a three-sided figure. So we know that sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, from the figure, the sum of exterior angle is, so you are going to add all the three exterior angles. So 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x, which is equal to 250 degree plus x. So we also know that sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So we are equating 250 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Now we are subtracting 250 degree on both the sides. So you will get x equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. So x equal to 110 degree. So thus the missing angle x is 110 degrees. The next question is also find x in the following figure. So if you look into the figure, x is an exterior angle and all the other given angles are 70 degree. So this is a 90 degree angle and this is 60 degree. So all these four angles are exterior angles and the other angle given is a 90 degree angle, which is an interior angle. Okay, so now first step what we are going to do is, we know that sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, now from the figure we are going to add all the exterior angles. So now if you look into the figure, so this angle, exterior angle is 70 degree, this exterior angle is 90 degree, this exterior angle is 60 degree. Therefore, this exterior angle we want to find. So now we know that this is a straight line and this half is given 90 degree. So it's a straight angle. So total angle is 108 degree. Half of the angle is given, that is 90 degree. So the missing angle on this side, this exterior angle is 90 degree. So now to find sum of all exterior angles, we are going to add all the given exterior angles. So the given exterior angles are 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus 90 degree plus x. So if you simplify all these things, you will get 310 degree plus x. So we know that this sum is equal to 360 degree. So we are equating 310 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. We are subtracting 310 degree on both the sides to get the value of x. So if you solve this, you will get x equal to 50 degree. So thus the missing exterior angle x is 50 degrees. Next question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. So solution. So the given question is you want to find each exterior angle of a regular polygon and the given is it's a 9-sided regular polygon. So if it is a regular polygon, we know that all the 9 sides have equal length and also it has 9 angles which are also having a equal measure. Okay, so 9-sided figure we will call that as nanogon. So now we know that sum of exterior angles of any regular polygon is 360 degree and also we know that each exterior angle of any n-sided regular polygon is given by the formula 360 degree divided by n. So where n is number of sides. So therefore, each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides is given by the relation 360 degree divided by 9. So if you simplify that, you will get 40 degrees. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides measures 40 degree. Next question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides. So here what is given is you want to find the each exterior angle value and the given is it's a 15-sided regular polygon. So it indicates that all the 15 sides have equal length and also all the 15 sides have equal angle measures. So the same formula we are going to use. So we know that sum of exterior angle of any regular polygon is 360 degree. Also we know that each exterior angle of any n-sided regular polygon is given by the formula 360 degree divided by n. So where n is number of sides. So here given n is 15 sides. So now we are going to divide this 360 degree divided by n, so that is 15. So if you simplify this 360 degree divided by 15, you will get 24 degrees. So we are saying that each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides measures 24 degrees. So you will get 15 angles, each angle measuring 24 degrees. Next question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So you want to find the number of sides of the given regular polygon, and also it is given that each exterior angle of the given, we'll take that n-sided regular polygon is 24 degrees. So we know that each exterior angle of a regular polygon is given by the formula 360 degree divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So now you want to find the number of sides n. So we are going to rewrite this equation as number of sides n equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle of the polygon. So now we are going to substitute the given values in this formula. So now we don't know the value of n. So n equal to 360 degree divided by, it is given in our question, each exterior angle of the polygon is 24 degree. So instead here we are going to substitute 24 degree. So n equal to 360 degree divided by 24 degree, which is equal to 15. So the number of sides is 15. So if each exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 24 degree, then number of sides of that polygon is 15. Next question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 36 degrees? So now it's given that measure of each exterior angle of n-sided. We don't know the number of sides, so we are taking it as n-sided regular polygon. So it's given 36 degrees. Now we know the formula, each exterior angle of any regular polygon is 360 degree divided by n. So where n is number of sides. Now we want to find the number of sides. So we are going to rewrite this formula as number of sides n equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle of the polygon. So now we are going to apply the given question in this formula. So now n equal to 360 degree divided by the given exterior angle is 36 degree. So 360 degree divided by 36 degree, if you simplify that you will get 10. So that is number of sides is 10. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 36 degree. Then the number of sides of that regular polygon will be 10. Hope you have understood all the questions well. Thank you for watching the video.